Okay, this strawberry blueberry pie might be my new favorite. I start with my flaky all butter pie crust. I always use vodka in my pie crust to keep it tender and flaky. You can either use a pastry blender or a food processor to mix it all up. When all your crust ingredients are combined, turn it out onto a clean floured surface so you can bring the dough together and create that amazing crust. Then you want to wrap it up with some plastic wrap and let your pie crust chill in the fridge for at least an hour. Next up is our crumb topping. So we're doing the crumb topping first because that also has to chill for about an hour in the fridge. And the crumb topping is made with cold butter, brown sugar, white sugar, and flour. Now moving on to our berry filling. You honestly could make this exact same pie with a lot of different fruits, but I love the combination of strawberries and blueberries. This filling works great with fresh fruit, or you can use frozen berries like I am here. Heat your filling ingredients until they thicken up nicely, and then add your vanilla so that the flavor doesn't burn off. And then you'll want to set it to the side so it can cool. Now we can roll out our pie crust. I'm not the best pie crust roller, but I did my best. And the important thing is what it tastes like, right? Not what it looks like. Crimp the sides of your dough in the pie pan and add some pie weights to blind bake it. And after the blind bake, your crust is ready to go. Now we can make our pie. A little crust dust will help make sure we never get a soggy bottom. And then we want to add in our berry filling and of course that amazing buttery crumb topping. Make sure you let the pie cool so that the filling can set before you serve it. I know it's tempting. And a scoop of vanilla ice cream is absolutely mandatory on this pie. You guys let me know what you think, and you can get the entire recipe on ShanaeToday.com.